my name is Rita Lutinger, and I've been coming to the Smile Boutique now for, goodness, I think it's now 2 years. I originally came here because my husband had come. I'm very fearful to go to dentist, so I do not want to go to dentist, but he had such an amazing experience that, you know what, I'll come here, have them just check out my teeth. And they found a couple things that were need to be fixed. However, they also told me that I'd be able to actually have teeth again on my left lower quadrant. Well, that was amazing. So what happened was, went ahead and we had to take care of the immediate situation first on my left upper quadrant. They do personalized care here. So they made sure that the teeth looked perfect. Dr. Stan took such meticulous care to make sure he studied my mouth, studied my teeth, assessed my teeth to make sure everything was perfect. It was the most amazing experience I've ever seen in my life. And my teeth, I have never ever seen my teeth like this. I thought I'd never get to see it again. I was told I needed dentures, and so now I am a happy camper, very satisfied with services, have been taken care of. The care here is absolutely amazing. So I'm so grateful for everything that everybody here has done, grateful for a painless experience for a coward like me. So I'm just grateful for everything, the services here, and now my experience for the rest of my life having a mouth like this.